I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth devices to your PS4. First, navigate to your PS4 settings menu. From there, select Devices and then Bluetooth Devices. Next, put your Bluetooth device into its pairing mode, which usually involves holding a specific button. Once it appears on the PS4 list, select it to complete the connection. It's a straightforward process for most compatible devices. Connecting Bluetooth headsets and keyboards is generally simple. Make sure your device is fully charged and actively in pairing mode. Some devices might prompt you for a passkey, which is often 4 zeros. While many headsets connect for audio, remember that not all Bluetooth audio devices are fully supported for in-game voice chat, so check your device's specifications for full compatibility details. To pair a DualShock 4 controller, first connect it to your PS4 using a USB cable and press the PS button to register it. For wireless pairing, hold down both the PS button and the share button on the controller simultaneously for a few seconds. The light bar will begin to flash rapidly, indicating it's in pairing mode. Then, select the controller from your PS4 Bluetooth devices list to finalize the connection. When troubleshooting, remember that your PS4 has a limit on the number of Bluetooth devices connected at once. Not all third-party Bluetooth devices are fully compatible, so always check for official support. Ensure your PS4 system software is updated to the latest version for optimal performance and compatibility. If a device isn't connecting, try restarting both the device and your PS4 console to refresh the connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.